Hi, I'm Christy Flaherty. Getting healthy meals on the table every night is hard enough without that inevitable question, what's for dinner, when you don't have a plan. My seasonally based Simply Real Food meal plan subscription is not only going to answer that question, but it's going to bring the joy back to cooking for your family. Now, I know there's lots of meal prep out there and there's lots of meal plan apps, but I never could figure out how to make it work for me. But I finally did. Now, I'm passing that on to you. Every single week in your inbox with my subscription plan, you're going to get a carefully curated shopping list, 5 healthy dinners, as well as optional breakfasts and lunches, and a meal prep timeline to put it all together. Now, what I mean by meal prep isn't a bunch of casseroles and stuff. It's actually real food that's put together in components. So each night, it's going to take you maybe 20 to 30 minutes to pull 2 or 3 of those components together and make dinner. It's going to be fresh, delicious dinners for your family with lots of variety. Now, you heard me say seasonally based and might have wondered what that meant. It just simply means that each quarter you're going to get a different shopping list that reflects what's in season, mainly the produce. And that is because you get a lot more nutrients out of seasonal produce than you do things that are way out of season and have to be shipped across the world. And I also want you to be able to save money. Seasonal produce is way cheaper, and the best part is it's tastier. So I'm helping you in a multitude of ways, and you're not even having to put the effort into figuring out what's seasonal because it's going to be right there on the shopping list for you. Now, you might be wondering what the price is on this. I want it to be very affordable because I know that switching from processed food to real food is a little bit of a change in your budget. But for my plan, it's only $15 a month. And that means $15 a month forever for you as a founding member. Now, what is a founding member? It's those of you that sign up for the very first round starting July 1st. And the only way for you to know when registration opens is for you to be on my list. So go to ChristyFlaherty.com and sign up for my VIP mailing list. You not only will get a week's worth of Simply Real Food to try out, but you'll be the first to know when registration opens. You're going to get a lot of bonuses and perks as a founding member, but best of all, you'll never pay more than $15 a month. I will not raise your price from this point forward, no matter if you do it 15 years from now. So I'm looking forward to going on this journey with you, and we'll talk more in the future, but for now, go straight to my website and sign up for the list so you won't miss out on anything. I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye.